Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures, and right now I am on board the beautiful Disney Wish, and I am going to take you on a tour through our Verandah stateroom. This is a deluxe ocean view stateroom with veranda, number 9072. So come on in and take a look around with us. All right, let's take a look at our beautiful balcony room, number 9072. These rooms on the Disney Wish are gorgeous, and they are all unique. So each room has a different design. This one happens to be Princess and the Frog. And you can see there is a queen size bed, and it does not split into two separate beds. It is one bed. Some cruise lines you can split them into two. Under the bed, they have raised all the beds on all of the Disney ships, and there's storage for your luggage. Perfect, perfect, perfect. They have the bed turned down for tonight, and they have made the Disney Wish blanket that's on the bed up into like a little towel animal. It's adorable. I love that. I love how they leave the chocolates. These rooms are just so much more luxurious and upscale feeling. Just different from the nautical theme of the other cruise lines. And there's Princess Tiana herself. And a sofa here. It's getting a little bit dark in these rooms. I just love this drawer space here on each side of the bed, and lots of charging ports. So this is awesome. USB, C port, outlets, light switches here. So let's see, that light switch on the left does the main lights, so you can turn them off for the room from your bed. Look at the cute little Mickeys on the lampshades. They're adorable. It looks like here there's a reading light. So in case people want to sleep and one person wants to read, you can focus that reading light in on whoever wants that. And the top knob turns here. Oh, that's neat. So that light, you can see the other one's dimmer, and that one is really bright. So you can just turn the knobs on each one of these lights to turn them dimmer or all the way off. I like that. So it kind of sets the mood in the room in the evening. You're trying to relax and you don't want it really bright. Okay, let's keep exploring here. And you're exploring this room on the Disney Wish with me. This is an Enchanted Showcase sailing. The ship has not officially started sailing yet. I have another couple of cruises scheduled with my family, and then we'll know a lot more about the ship. This is a connecting stateroom, so it connects to the room next door. If you're traveling with family or friends, you can open the two doors and connect the two staterooms. Lots and lots of storage space. Lots of space to set your stuff out in these little cubbies. TV remote control, trash can down there. All right, let's check out the mirror here. And look at these. These are labeled, okay? Mirror, ceiling worked. Curtain light. And then out, this balcony light turns on a light on the balcony outdoors. Hi everybody, sorry I'm kind of hot and sweaty. I've been running around this ship like crazy trying to explore. I have so much to show you guys. I'm so excited to see it all. And so I apologize, I'm a little disheveled this morning, or this evening from a long day this morning that started out at Coronado Springs Resort. Beautiful balcony. I want to take you guys out there, but let's explore in here. I apologize. I'm so distracted. I don't have my usual room tour buddy, Easton. He will be on the next one coming up in about a week. All right. There's a drawer for storage. And this is a refrigerator. So that big bottom drawer is actually a refrigerator, so you can set some drinks. It's not really big, but it's enough that you could put some canned sodas or bottled water in there to keep cold to take up to the pool deck or on the beach with you. All right. We have a hair dryer, and underneath of it is a hot mat for curling irons. So you can set your curling irons on that mat. All right. Shelves on this and this drawer here. Phone numbers, contact information, room service menu. Like on the other ships, you would fill out this room service menu and hang it on the door the night before you want your order. And then you select the time right here, and they'll deliver your meal, your breakfast to you the next morning. All right, so that is ceiling light. We can see that, but this, oh, there we go. It didn't work a minute ago. Now the mirror light worked. Hi, everybody. Now I'm bright. I don't know if I really like the spotlight on me, but there's the mirror light. There are outlets here. Let me move some of our things here. This is neat. This is the wishing wands they give children when you board the ship, so you can make a wish with the show when you first get on the ship. And watch some of our other videos for that, or extra footage. Here we go. Outlets, European, US, Seaport, USB outlets, all of that right here. So you can charge all of your devices. That's super handy. Under here, I noticed there's a seat. So you can pull that seat out for extra space to get ready. You just sit right here at the counter if you want to get ready in the morning. This couch, there's a little table here in front of the couch. They move that table and they can make this couch into a single bed. This room would sleep 3 because there's no upper berth. On our room in about a week, you guys are going to see a room that sleeps 4 because there will be 4 of us on the ship. Before we jet out to the balcony, let's explore just a little bit more in here. I'm gonna look in the closet. Let's see here. I just had to push a little hard on that door to open it. Life vest with assembly station L, laundry bag, safe, very important. Put your cash, jewelry if you bring it, passports, all those valuables in that safe there, and choose a code for it. Shelves on the bottom. And you guys are seeing this room here, this stuff for the first time with me. I've never seen it before. So there's automatic lights in there, hangers, robes. Don't keep the robes, use them. Don't keep them. But hangers to hang up suit jackets and things that are extra wide so they don't crease the shoulders. But see, there we go. The light goes off in the closet. One more spot here in the closet. Open this. And it pushes both doors open in the middle there. And you have life vests, hangers. If you need a lot of hangers, it looks like there's only maybe 6 in each closet. You might want to bring some of your own if you are obsessive about hanging things up. But that's just a hanging area. It's kind of neat how these doors work. I noticed this one pushes closed. And this one closes here like this, and it sticks to this door here. So when you open this door, they both slide open. Watch. Okay. And the lights turn on. All right. Just had to show you that because I noticed it. Okay. One thing I just love about Disney Cruise Line, one of the things I love about them is the split bathroom. They have designed these for families. It's absolutely amazing. Oh, and look here, I've noticed there's hooks to hang your things on. These split bathroom doors are a lot further apart, I noticed, than they are on the Magic, the Wonder, the Dream, and the Fantasy. So I'm curious what these split bathrooms are going to look like. Let's take a look together because I haven't seen them. All right, and one thing I'm noticing first here is that there's no switches for the lights in the bathrooms on the outside, which as a parent, that's a relief because I have 2 boys who would torture each other while they were in the bathroom by turning the bathroom lights on and off from the outside of the bathroom. So that was kind of silly. But we've got a cute little Mickey banner here. Let's go in here and look around. So look, oh, there's the light switch. And look, they have a night light. Yay! We used to always pack night lights on the other ships, but now you turn this light switch and there's a night light, which a lot of the cruise lines are starting to have those more and more, but that is neat. So you can leave that on at night. Let's turn on the main light. There are hooks for towels or robes in this bathroom, a mirror, and the toilet and a sink. All right, see if I can step up in here. Hi, everybody. All right, and they have the H2O sea salt hand soap. It smells amazing. There's a trash can here and lots of storage space to set things. These don't open. Oh, and I noticed there's an outlet right here, like for a shaver. That's what that's for. All right, let's check out the other side of the bathroom here. All right, and the light switch is right here. There's no night light in here. And here's the other side of the bathroom with the sink, towel. There's a little bit of storage to set your things down there, and some storage shelves up there as well. And the shower and bathtub combo here. So you can take a bath or give your little ones a bath. Let's check this out. If I fumble around, excuse me. I wonder if this pushes in too. Okay, so that's neat. This door on the shower pushes in or pulls out. So either way, the door opens. They have the standard string here for hooking. You can pull it across. You guys know what this is. And you hook it on the other side and you can hang your swimsuits on it so they drip down in the shower. I love the tile. It's so new and fresh. I love the herringbone pattern. I like the fact they don't have a shower curtain. Just feels more expensive that way. This shower head would be even too short for me. And I'm only like all of 5'2". So you'd have to adjust that shower head up. It moves up and down on that rod there. I don't have my lovely partner to demo it for me, but I will in about a week, a little over a week when we get back on. And there you have the shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. And again, the H2O products smell amazing. And the standard faucet, and you can lift the knob to turn on the shower or just run it and fill the bathtub. If you want to take a bath or your kids want a bath. I mean, that's essential for kids, right? Especially young ones, is a bathtub. All right. You've seen it? Oh, and I like this. I like the makeup washcloths because I feel really guilty when I wash my makeup, and I don't wear a lot of it, but when I wash my makeup off with something that's white and it turns it colors, I like having these black makeup washcloths. All right. Let's see here. Else we can explore in the room. Oh, I want to turn the lights out here. And I passed it, but here's the thermostat. It's just pretty standard. Nothing fancy, hotter or colder, however you like your room. You can choose the temperature. Now let's go walk out here on this balcony for this room. Something I notice here right away. This handle is a lot longer than it is on the Magic and the Wonder and the Dream and the Fantasy. If you want to watch any of my other videos, you'll see it. But I think that's to make it easier to turn to open the door. Let's see. But they have kind of a privacy curtain here, like a thinner one. And then they have room darkening curtains that can shut over the top of that. All right, but let's open this. So we pull down on this. And oh, that slides like a dream, you guys. It's so quiet and easy to slide open. All right, let's go out here on this balcony. This room sits kind of in a corner. So this balcony is at an angle and it's a little bigger than some of the others. But I did notice that they have this kind of shape in the corner that's like a metal frame around this balcony. All right. Oh, I can hear the ocean and it's so pretty. This is where this ship kind of curves out. The other ships don't do that, but this room is the corner of where this ship curves out. So the balcony is shaped kind of like a triangle. If I stand all the way in the corner, we have a lovely view of the other balconies down the ship way here. But you can see that you can see that piece of metal right here. Let me see. Right there. You can see that piece of metal that kind of frames out the inside of this balcony, and the others don't have that. It doesn't block a lot of the view, but it is there, so it's worth noting. There's furniture here on the balcony, 2 chairs and a table. If you're worried about a child climbing over or anything like that, you can ask them to remove the furniture. But I'm going to show you a lock. I should have showed you the lock that is like a pool door lock, so you can latch it at the top where young children can't reach it to get out if you're worried about them sneaking out while you're in the shower or while you're not looking. I want to get over here on the other corner of this balcony so you can see how it goes at an angle. And I forgot to show you guys that. And if I forget to show you anything, I might drop them in here at the end. As we stay in this room, I learn more about it. Like I said, you're exploring it for the first time with me. So as I learn more about it, I might make some shorter video clips, and then I'll drop them in at the end. But right here, there's a latch, and I like this better than the other ships. Green for open and red for closed. But you just can push this back and forth. It's better than the little round ones that pull. But if you push this on red, the door can't be opened, and that's all the way up at the top of the door. So again, if you have toddlers and you're worried about taking a nap and worried about them sneaking out and, you know, climbing on the furniture and falling over, this is all about you here. All right. And that is this lovely room on the Disney Wish. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some useful information. I hope you are able to experience the Disney Wish in person and have a wonderful sailing. Oh, I already thought of something else I want to mention, and I want to tell you, someone else made fun of my son for mentioning this in one of our other videos. It's this curtain, okay? Very important to me, to families. It matters to me because I've been on ships that don't have it and I miss it. But there's this curtain, you just unhook it, and if you close it, then your kids kind of have their own side of the room, and the adults have their own side of the room. So you can close that to get ready for bed at night and not have to cram yourself in a bathroom and have privacy. So that privacy curtain does matter to me. It does matter to our family. I can tell you what's going to be a problem though on the other cruise lines, or the other cruise ships. There's a TV right here in the middle, and it can switch between the living room area where the kids are and the main area, and that TV is not going to reach here. So when you close the curtain at night, the kids are not going to be able to see the TV. So not that I would still book a cruise on this ship. That's not really a big thing, but I just wanted to point that out. And yes, I really do like this curtain. It is important to me. I have missed it on other cruise lines. I like to close it to have my privacy from the kids. And yeah, I hope you found this useful. I'll drop in some other things if I see them throughout our cruise, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much for joining us on the tour of our stateroom on board the Disney Wish. Stay tuned to our channel, keep an eye on our channel, and check out our channel for tours and videos and tips and tricks of the other areas on the Disney Wish. If you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next Disney vacation, please reach out to me. My name is Melissa. You will find me at pixiedustadventures.com, and there might even be some extra onboard credits in there for you as well. If you enjoy watching our YouTube videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. We want to hear from you. Have you been on a Disney cruise before? But no matter what, thank you so much for watching, and no matter where you travel or who you're with, we wish you a magical vacation. Bye.